In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress site on Hostinger and start fresh. If you've decided your website needs a clean slate, this walkthrough will show you how to reset WordPress safely using Hostinger's tools, then begin again with a fresh setup. Before we dive in, remember that a reset permanently removes your current site's content and settings. If there's anything you might need later, like posts, images, or theme customizations, make sure you have a copy saved somewhere secure. Let's begin by signing in to your Hostinger account and opening the hosting dashboard for the WordPress site you want to reset. Once you're in hPanel, navigate to the section where you manage that site. You'll see the WordPress tools or a direct link to access your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center and the place you'll use to start the reset process. Next, use the reset method shown in this tutorial to clear your current WordPress setup. The exact button or link may vary depending on updates to Hostinger's interface, but the idea is the same. You're telling the system to wipe your site's WordPress files and database so you can start from scratch. As you do this, take a moment to read any on-screen notes carefully. They typically explain what will be deleted and what, if anything, will remain. You'll be asked to confirm the reset. Pause here and double-check you're on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. Confirming will remove your existing content, themes, plugins, and customizations. If you're confident you're ready, go ahead and confirm. This step is irreversible, so treat it like a final checkpoint. After confirming, give the process some time to complete. You may see a progress indicator or a brief loading period. Avoid closing your browser or navigating away until you see a success message or the interface tells you the reset has finished. If it takes a little longer than expected, that's normal. Larger sites can require more time to clear. Once the reset is complete, open WordPress again from hPanel and begin the setup fresh. You'll be guided through the standard WordPress onboarding screens where you can set your site title, choose your language, and adjust a few basics. From there, you can pick a theme, install essential plugins, and rebuild your content with a clean foundation. That's the full process. Sign in to Hostinger, open your site's dashboard, access the WordPress tools, use the reset method shown, confirm carefully, wait for it to finish, and then reopen WordPress to start anew. Take it step by step, and you'll have a fresh, streamlined WordPress install ready for your next chapter.